Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to stake Render token. In order to do this, you can use a Binance mobile application. So you just have to launch your Binance app, and after that you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to tap on this wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and here in the top you are going to see a bunch of different tabs. Now over here you need to tap on earn, and then you will be landed on this earning page. Now over here you can easily stake your coins and you are going to get good amount of APY. So you will have to click on the earn option, and then you will have to use the search bar in the top. After that, in the search bar, you simply need to search for the Render token, and once you have found the Render token, you simply need to click on that, and after entering the amount that you want to stake, you just have to click on the stake button in order to confirm your staking. And this is how you can easily stake your Render token on Binance. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.